The cat man, that pussy so good, had to fuck on camera. She said it on young, just too much to handle. Switch up the route, now they watching my channel. On the heart of young nigga coming straight out of bound. Man, it's all about real, because life is a gamble. If I catch y'all lacking 8 shots out the chrome, reloading the clip, spin again, let them have.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G-Way Glow, and I'm back with another video. This gonna be a daily vlog slash mukbang slash what you do smoke session. Stay tuned. So, fucking some shit. Well, we eating shit and social. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what? Hey, shots out the rhyme, man. Y'all come down here and pull around.
Young Lee got the sauce, boy.
Turn it down before they try to copyright me. What y'all been up to, man? Shout me now. I gotta tell y'all about my new op. Got a new op in the city. Nigga acting like a hoe, man. Nigga acting like a hoe. Yeah.
Damn, my dick, man. I ain't even blows yet. You heard that one, man. Put you on some. Let me put you on something, man.
Y'all already know Ryan Bush. I ain't even gotta say nothing. Hey, the Jew are.
Respect.
This shit get it fucked, boy. On blow. She know a dope for real.
Money
make everything better, nigga.
You know my ball is, bro.
I really put holes in that bitch. I'm full of it, bro. It's over with. It's over with, bro. It's over with. All that fake ass jewelry. Why you with that, man?
Yeah.
Slack. What y'all niggas on, man? Hey, that food good as hell. I roll with the clan, bitch. What the fuck you saying, bitch? I wish you would, bitch. Every day feel like Saturday to me. I don't know why, bro. I don't know what folk be like, man. It's Monday. What the fuck that mean? Should be what you make. If you doing what I'm doing. Put my hat, man, on these folk. In the back behind your head.
Dang!
Behind your head, right? Connect my Bluetooth. Bitch on Glow Gang, bitch.
Do a BT.
Yeah. All that. Posted at the G on the bricks. Nigga ain't hitting with sticks. Stinking that nigga ain't on shit.
Why don't you commit them, bro? Go decommit. I'm talking about Glow.
You ain't connect.
I'm connected.
Oh. Well, hush. Hush.
Your parents
Don't put the gun in there. Yeah. Man, y'all match up. Y'all match.
Get off my dick. Let it go. Get off my dick. That's your whole job. God damn.
Man said my nose big.
Me fucked up. You can suck my left nut.
Oh shit. It was on my phone. Hell nah, they got copyright.
Oh yeah. What this shit mean? What this shit mean?
Like, I really don't even, I don't even know.
Well, I do that shit every video. This ain't need out.
It's like he need help by the two. Going like, well, who are you? Your nigga hold to the roof. Blizzard. On Blizzard. No cap. I mean, it be with the strap. These niggas hoes, just like they mama. I ain't fucked up by nan nigga with the llama. No cap. Any beat without no Simonese. Where your mama at, nigga? Where your mama at, nigga? For real. But she cooked last night. My food better be in the microwave, little boy. Hey, for the ladies, y'all need to DM me. Y'all too loud challenge. The best one, get the 50 piece. 50p for that ass. Best loud challenge, 50p. Out the gate. That ass gotta be clapping. That ass ain't clapping. I ain't making it happen. I ain't making it happen for your poor ass, dude. No kids. No kids, nigga. I'm in the bed with your mama. Hey, you know I'm clutching the fire. I put the bitch in your eye.
Damn, man.
You know that bitch do or die.
That bitch so dry going down my throat.
Why the fuck do you niggas try? Bitch pussy fizzy like pie. Hey.
Turn the radio on, bro.
In the cat, man, that pussy so good, had to fuck on camera. She said it on young, just too much to handle. Switch up the rock, now they watching my channel. On the heart of young nigga coming straight out of Bama. It's all about river, cause life is a gamble. If I catch y'all lacking 8 shots out the chrome, reloading the clip, spin again, let them have fun. Catch him in traffic, might hide in the airland. Pop out the cut, hit his ass with that ratchet. Jumped in the street, had to get on my feet. I start teaching myself times I needed my daddy. Need straight cap, need